대지 셰피는 터지에 대신에도 나도 주바된 비서로 시가자 신의가 또지나 마면르게 마셔 버저도 넘바 또비 륜노지 세요 먼저로
So therefore,
레베
um,
What is this?
the Dejin Sheba Barujogin,
Yeah.
Dejin Sheba Chasama Tontugere, Di Barujogin.
Yeah.
Therefore, the Arya Sutra of the Great and Complete Transcendence of Suffering says, hearers cannot see Buddha nature because their single-pointed absorption is stronger and wisdom is weaker. Bodhisattvas can see it but not clearly because their wisdom is stronger and their single-pointed concentration is weaker, whereas Tathagatas can see all because they possess a calmly abiding mind and special insight to an equal degree. So Geshe said here, when we speak about the hearers, the Shravakas, we can understand that this includes the Pratyekabuddhas, the solitary realizers as well. So we can understand that in terms of these hearers and solitary realizers, right?